Transform your videos with new style scrolling text that captivates your audience in CapCut. First things first, open CapCut and start a new project by tapping the plus icon. You'll want to import the video clip you want to add your moving text to once it's on your timeline. Let's get started with the text. Down at the bottom menu, find and tap on the text option, then select Add Text. This will bring up a text box where you can type whatever you want your scrolling text to say. Think headlines, important announcements, or even a quick outro message. Now, typing your desired text, you can adjust the font, size, and color to match your video's style. Once you're happy with the appearance, tap the check mark to confirm. With your text layer selected on the timeline, look for the animation option in the bottom menu and tap on it. This is where the magic happens. Inside the animation menu, you'll see several categories. We're going to focus on the loop section to create that continuous scrolling effect, much like you see on the news. Scroll through the options until you find one that looks like it's moving horizontally. There are usually a few variations, so pick the one that best suits your needs. Once you've selected a scrolling animation, you might see an option to adjust its speed with a slider. Play around with this to get the perfect pace. You can also extend the duration of your text layer on the timeline to make the scroll last as long as you need it for a smoother start and end. You can often adjust the in and out animations as well, but the loop animation is key for the new style effect. Now, position your scrolling text where you want it on the screen. Typically, it looks great along the bottom or top edge. Adjust its placement by dragging it directly in the preview window. Make sure it's readable, but not overwhelming your main video content. And there you have it. You've successfully created dynamic, new style moving text in CapCut. Hit that export button in the top right corner, and your professionally enhanced video is ready to share.